Hey there, fellow wanderers. Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan, where we unearth the world's most breathtaking destinations. Today, we're embarking on an enchanting journey to the heart of India, a place that showcases the beauty of nature in its purest form. Pachmarhi. Nestled in the heart of Madhya Pradesh, Pachmarhi is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Known as the Queen of Satpura, this mesmerizing hill station is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts alike. Our first stop on this expedition brings us to the captivating cascades of Pachmarhi. The area is dotted with numerous waterfalls, each with its own unique charm and story. From the majestic Bee Falls to the serene Duchess Falls, there's a waterfall for every mood and occasion. Whether you're seeking tranquility or thrills, Pachmarhi offers a range of water activities to quench your thirst for adventure. Dive into the crystal-clear waters or enjoy a peaceful boat ride amidst the pristine surroundings. The choice is yours. As we venture deeper into Pachmarhi, we find ourselves surrounded by dense forests that effortlessly blend with nature's symphony. The Satpura National Park is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, making it an absolute haven for wildlife enthusiasts and eco-lovers. Keep your eyes peeled for a glimpse of the elusive big cats like tigers and leopards, as well as playful langurs swinging through the treetops. The park's extensive network of trekking trails provides the perfect opportunity to explore its untouched beauty up close. Speaking of adventure, Pachmarhi is also a paradise for thrill seekers, offering an array of activities that will get your adrenaline pumping. One such popular pursuit is rock climbing, where you can challenge yourself to conquer the rugged cliffs and witness panoramic views that will leave you in awe. Now, let's take a little break from all the excitement and savor the flavors of Pachmarhi. The local cuisine here is a feast for the senses, with delicacies such as poha, chakki ki shark, and boot car keys that will leave you craving for more. Don't forget to visit the local markets and indulge in some traditional handicrafts as well. As the day draws to a close, let's find solace in the breathtaking sunsets that grace the skies of Pachmarhi. The hues of orange, pink, and purple blend together, painting a picture-perfect moment that will stay etched in your memory forever. Pachmarhi is not just a destination, it's a state of mind, a place where nature's canvas comes alive, leaving visitors captivated at every turn. Thank you for joining me on this awe-inspiring journey to discover the hidden treasures of Pachmarhi. Remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below telling me about your most unforgettable travel experiences. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep spreading the wanderlust.